In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to enable NSFW on Grok. Let's get started. First, launch your Grok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on two bars given at the top left. Head over to the option Settings. Once you're over here, different options will appear. Scroll down and head over to the option NSFW Preferences. Click on that. Now you'll be directed to this page. Click on Accept All Cookies. Now toggle on for the option Allow NSFW Content. Then click on Save. In case you don't see this option, it's possible that the feature is not available for your account, region, platform, or current version of Grok. In that case, make sure you are using the latest version of the app and check for any updates to Grok's content settings. Keep in mind that Grok's available features and content controls can change over time, so the exact settings may vary depending on when you are using the service. After you have enabled, you will be good to go. So this is how you can easily enable NSFW on Grok. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.